All right, guys, listen up. You would not believe what I just got. Me and Nikki went to this like really sketchy little market they had. There's this guy who said for like $100 you can make like a little mini action figure of yourself. The guy said something about having to like summon it every time you wanted to use it. I think he sent me the instructions. Step 1, open the palm of your hand. Then step 2, make the noise of your favorite animal. Whoa, that's cool. Look, it looks just like me. Can you like do a little dance or something? Not bad, not bad. Can you say anything? Can you
What's up, guys?
Oh shit! He says, "What's up, guys?" That's hilarious. It's just like me. You're officially gonna be the Willybot. So it's supposed to be like really smart or something like that. So what are my PIDs?
All of your PIDs are 4.
Not bad, not bad. It's got that right. Who's the best FPV pilot in the world?
The best FPV pilot is Mr.
Oh shit, okay. I could probably still take him back. I think it's got like 1 week returns or something like that. Yeah, you know, that's a pretty cool little guy I found. So let's just, well, we're at a fucking office park. So quick change of scenery, guys. After a quick little unplanned drone recovery, we ended up using up the rest of the little daylight that we had. I'm gonna be cutting in a little bit of footage from this spot as well. Alright guys, that is all for today. The sun is beginning to set. I have to go rewire Willybot, but I think he's gonna show up in later videos. Let me know if you guys want to see a little more of Willybot in the future. Make sure to hit that bell so you get notifications every time that I make a post on here. Hit subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys in the next video.